In this video, we're going to add employees in Sage Intacct. Employees are one of the dimensions that you can use in the systems. Dimensions are basically used to organize or sort some of the areas in the system, and you can use dimensions for your reporting purposes. I'm going to navigate to applications, company, setup, first company dimensions, and click on employees. And in the employee page, we have a list of employees that are currently added in the system. Taking a look at the employees, it shows that we have hierarchical display where it's color coded, and it shows the title, or more like the position of that employee. Employees that are blue color coded report to the green employee color code. And for employees that are color coded in green, report to employees that are color coded in orange. We're going to add a new employee. We're going to add the basic information. So we're going to select the primary contact name, or you can add a new one. Click on add to add a new contact information. The contact information, that's where you add the name and the last name. The suggested contact name will auto-populate from the name and the last name that you just added. Add the mailing information and the additional information of the primary contact. I already have the primary contact added in the system, so just going to select, and we're going to view this primary contact. It's the last name and the first name, and the suggested contact name is Zulandi. In the mailing information, you can add in the address, and you can add in the additional information for the contact. Zulandi started on the 1st of October. Add in the title, the ID number. Zulandi is a full-time employee. You can add in the birth date. If it's an employee that's leaving the company, you can add the end date and add in the termination type in cases of termination, and you add in the manager. Sue's manager is Emma Penny, and Landy is joining the marketing department in South Africa. And we're going to move to the second tab, which is contact. And we have primary contact populated. Should you have additional contacts for this employee, you can add the contact details. Moving to the cost rate, this is when you want to add the cost rate of the employee, whether it's an hourly rate or an annual salary. So we're going to add 10550 as the annual salary, which started on the 1st of October, and we're going to add the salary. Should the salary change at some point, probably they get a raise or they reduce the salary, add the new cost rate, and you'll have the cost rate history. In the reimbursement information tab, this is where you add in the payment details for the employee. We're going to add in, let's say, bank file, and check the box for send automatic payment notification. Enable a bank file payment, where another section will come out to add in the banking details. I'm going to say South Africa, add the account name, the branch, and the banking information for that employee. Once you've added all your employee information, save your employee. And we have our employee Sue Lundy, that is green color coded, meaning that Lundy will be reporting to Emma Penny. And that's how you add employees in Sage Intacct.